A location with luxuriant growth of lichens. Lichens is a symbiotic association of algae or cyanobacteria plus fungi. Okay, lichens. These are indicator for SO2 pollution. If present, lichens will not grow. So it is indicator of SO2 pollution, and if lichens are growing luxuriantly, then the location is non-polluted. So this is right answer. Highly polluted, lichens will not grow. Heavily tree infestation, no. It can grow in on trees, on stones, on rocks, anywhere. So this is not polluted. Luxuriant growth of lichens, indicator of SO2 pollution. If growth of lichens is present, then it is non-polluted area.